Who's excited for a new compact and budget-friendly iPhone? Now imagine me raising my hand enthusiastically like it's the first answer I know in class. Jokes aside, there's been a growing buzz around Apple's next-generation iPhone SE4. The rumors are piling up, and it looks like the tech giant is indeed gearing up for its release. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Just a few days ago, a new report hinted that the design of the iPhone SE4 will borrow elements from the iPhone 16, a detail we've heard before. Another scoop mentioned that the iPhone SE4 might start at $499, featuring an OLED display and a single 48MP camera. With all these exciting possibilities, I can't help but get pumped. If these rumors pan out, I'd be seriously tempted to snag the next-gen iPhone SE for myself. Apple dropped the iPhone SE3 in 2022, so by the time the iPhone SE4 launches in 2025, at least according to rumors, it'll be high time for an update to the budget-friendly lineup, especially considering the third-gen SE didn't bring a huge leap forward from the SE2, which came out in 2020. That said, the iPhone SE4 is expected to be a major leap forward from its predecessors, with significant upgrades in design, camera, hardware, and pretty much every other aspect. To kick things off, rumors suggest that the iPhone SE4 will embrace a more modern design, drawing inspiration from recent iPhone models. Some reports indicate it could mirror the iPhone 14 series, while others hint it might even incorporate design elements from the upcoming iPhone 16 series, potentially featuring a similar back panel process as the iPhone 16 base model. The iPhone SE4 is set to get a major screen upgrade, jumping from its predecessor's 4.7-inch display to a larger 6.1-inch panel similar to the iPhone 14. It's also rumored to switch from LCD to OLED, bringing brighter colors and deeper blacks. Plus, Apple might introduce both Dynamic Island and Face ID for the first time in the SE lineup. Quite a list of new features, huh? The phone will also see some big changes in the camera department. While it's still expected to have a single rear camera, it might upgrade from the old 12MP sensor to a new 48MP one, similar to the one in the iPhone 15. Rumors also hint that the iPhone SE4 will come with 6GB of RAM and offer two storage options, a 128GB base model and a 512GB higher-tier variant. In contrast, the current iPhone SE has 4GB of RAM and starts with just 64GB of storage. So if these rumors are true, it's definitely shaping up to be a significant upgrade. But there is more. Just as the iPhone SE3 borrowed the A15 Bionic chip from the iPhone 13 released the year before it, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to feature the cutting-edge A18 processor, with 16 Pro Max this fall. Remarkably, this could make the budget-friendly SE4 faster than the regular iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, which are expected to use the A17 SoC. The next-gen budget-friendly iPhone is also expected to inherit the battery from the iPhone 14. So if everything pans out as rumored, the iPhone SE4 is set to be a major upgrade. The cherry on top, it might kick off at $499. Some reports even hint that the price could stay the same as the previous model, around $429. It's hard to believe, but we'll have to hang tight a little longer to see if it's true. Yet, given all these specs and the potential price, I think the iPhone SE4 could be a smart choice, and I'm seriously considering picking it up when it hits the market. Who is the iPhone SE4 for, and why it is the phone for me? Well, the iPhone SE4 is likely perfect for those who want the Apple experience without breaking the bank, and for anyone who appreciates a more compact form factor. Sure, a 6.1-inch display isn't tiny, but by today's standards, in the current smartphone landscape, it's on the smaller side. Of course, you could always go for the base iPhone 15 or the upcoming iPhone 16, which offer similar display sizes but do come with a much higher price tag. I mean, while the iPhone 15 currently starts at $799 and the iPhone 16 is expected to be priced similarly, the iPhone SE4 might cost nearly half as much, and it could potentially pack a better chipset. Overall, the iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be a fantastic budget option for Apple fans who don't want to shell out a lot of money and don't need all the bells and whistles of the latest flagship models. Or for folks like me who are deep into Apple's ecosystem. Think AirPods, AirTags, MacBooks, but are stubbornly holding out for an eventual next iPhone mini and want to avoid spending top dollar until then. What features are you most excited about in the rumored iPhone SE4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.